If you are new to print on demand or selling merch on your store, this is one avenue to make passive income or as a side hustle. You can create your own t-shirts on platforms like Redbubble or online stores. Well, I have a solution that is easy for any beginners to start making designs and make that dollar selling those t-shirts. Let me introduce you to Placeit, a cloud-based solution that helps you to create creative assets such as logos, videos, banner ads, and social media posts. Placeit is the best alternative solution to create amazing designs if you do not know how to design from scratch or have any design skills, or you do not have the budget to hire anyone to make those designs for you. In this video, I'm going to show you the steps to create the t-shirt designs as well as mockups for your social media marketing or advertising. For those beginners who are new to Placeit, it offers a free trial for you to try out without any risk or payment. With this feature, you can find something you really like, design, and click download. You can choose between a single download or subscription plan that includes mockups, designs, and videos. Without further ado, let's type placeit.net on your browser. Hover over the Design tab on the top left-hand bar and select Apparel and Print and choose T-shirt Designs. As you can see, there are numerous design templates to choose from with different themes and concept to choose. You can hover over each design thumbnails and it will show the different design variation. On the left side of the page, you can find designs related to different categories or topics. You can filter the categories according to newest or to bestseller, so you can find popular designs that are mostly downloaded. So for the first example, I'm going to show you how to create a design based on a template. As you can see here, there are design themes from graphic elements to interesting text or emoticons. But for this example, I'm going to choose this space astronaut. So it will lead you to the design editor page. On the left side, you will see the text section where you can edit the text in your artwork. For example, I can change the wording of this word to something else. Maybe I change to I'm just chilling. I could even change the font to make it visible and make it more prominent. You can just drag it to increase the size, and you can change the color to a brighter color from yellow to green. On the right side, you will find the design panel. You can change the graphic elements, and there's various options that is related to the space theme. And perhaps I can choose this space helmet design or a rocket. For the background, we'll just gonna choose a transparent because this is gonna be superimposed on the t-shirt itself. So once you're satisfied, you can download the design by clicking on the download button. Click here to download, and it will download to your laptop or desktop. Alternatively, you can upload your own image, preferably a high-resolution PNG format with transparent background. So over here, I have prepared something which is related to the astronaut theme. And look, it has replaced the previous image, and it is now a piece in the artwork. Okay, you can even change the elements of the shape from such as replacing the color to white or maybe a bright blue. You can download the design. Click here to download. So this design that you have created is commercially usable and you can upload on your store or even on Redbubble. So the next part is pretty interesting for those who want to advertise their t-shirt or merch. Once you have done the design on your shirt, you can create images or video ads with models wearing your designs. So on this page here, you can hover down to mockup, apparel, and t-shirts. You can filter according to the gender, age, or ethnicity. Once I have selected the mockup of my choice, so I'm just gonna upload the design that I've created earlier. As you can see here on your right, you have a preview. I can just move this design up or down, or even, size it to make it more bigger. And once I'm satisfied, I'm just gonna crop it. And now it's superimposed on the t-shirt itself. So once you are done, you can click on the download button. Similar to the process that you created with your designs. So this is how it looks like. You can, choose to upload this on your Instagram or even on your online store. You can even choose to have your mockup on video format. Simply type the video mockup on the search bar. And it will display, different selection for the videos. So for this example, I'm just gonna choose this girl over here. I will, upload the design that I've created earlier on. So now we have the design on this girl's t-shirt. And you can choose to, review by clicking on the play button. So we have a cute video that displays this girl here with the design of the astronaut's head. Once you are happy with it, you can download. So for this video, you can actually upload on your Instagram or TikTok as part of your marketing campaign. Post the designs on your store, or better still, advertise on your social media page. If you enjoyed this tutorial, hit that like button, subscribe for value-add tutorials where you learn tips and techniques on using digital platforms to build your business or brand. Until then, I'll see you next time.